Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Copper Productions. In this week's video,
we're at the LZ World Tour, baby!
Alrighty, phone, wallet, hat, glasses, sunscreen because I have inferior genes, big fancy new camera, GoPro, spare batteries. Right, that is everything that I think I'm gonna need. Let's go to LZ Fest. We've got about 4 hours 20 left in the drive till we get to the hotel that we'll be staying at for the next couple of days. Early tomorrow, go out to Calder Park for the LZ World Tour. It's a big drive up, it's a big drive back, and it's a big 2 days in between. It's gonna be interesting. 7 hours of driving down. I'm going to turn the camera off and go straight to bed because the less time I am awake in this, the better. I'll see you in the morning on the way out. Catch you then.
Sean, spectator?
Yeah.
Yep, follow this all the way around to Calder Park Drive. Enter through there.
Beautiful, thank you. Oh no! Oh no! Buddy, no! No! Oh, that's so fucked! Alright, we are like an hour 20 in from, sorry, 17 minutes in from general admission. I've already gotten so many clips of people drifting, met so many people, it's just like, it's mental. It's not even an hour in and it's just unbelievable. I even met a bloke who has seen my videos and he works for Shockworks, and I teed up with him. I'm like, is there any chance you could get me any access to like something behind the scenes to be able to film? And he was like, yeah, might be able to give you something tomorrow. Shoot me a message and we'll see what we can tee up. And so I shot him a message, and we'll see if anything comes of that. Fingers crossed it does, because that would be unbelievable. But for the time being, I'm going to jump on the new camera, see if I can get anything half decent out of it, and then yeah, jump into it from there. Just jump across to the new camera. Yeah, so as it turns out, new camera has some pretty chunky file sizes. This computer, not a fan. The two, they're not mixing. So it's going to be back to the drawing board on that one, and back to the small camera video. Skyline without a rear windscreen, it's a unfortunate familiar look. Not anymore, but it was. It's been about 3 hours of non-stop just to film what I can with the new camera. I hope that footage has come out well, I have no idea. Completely new to film with a good camera, so we'll see. There's a lot of cars here, there's a lot of stuff to film, so I've only just been doing what kind of catches my eye. I've also been putting the camera up and pointing at myself a fair bit. But for the time being, I think I need to get some food and have a break for a bit, because holy fuck, it's such a big day. I don't want to look at myself, but I can just tell I'm really, really sunburnt. Good times, good times. Hopefully I get to meet the guys and I'll look just like this, which should be mint. I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the while though, because we've got a bit before then, so I might just chill. I don't know. Find some shade. Going into the VIP to meet Jimmy Oakes. Should be pretty good. I'm really glad I managed to get in early. It was about an hour and a half in queuing, but it made it worth it for that intro you guys saw at the beginning of the video. That was absolutely amazing, and really good of those guys to do that. I don't know if there's much left to do for the rest of the day, so I'm probably just going to call it and go home, get some rest, and come back out and do it all again tomorrow. Should be fucking sick. I'll see you home. Alright, we see day 2. I've been pretty slack. I haven't picked up the camera for a while. I've been doing a lot of drifting, a lot of cars, but just not a lot. It's turned out to be a pretty shit day for weather, but I'll see how we go. I know what I'm going to do. I'm just trying to film cars, I think. But yeah, get might be in luck. We might be able to get into the pits. I don't know yet. We'll have to see.
Of the LC World Tour is
What a day. I stayed just long enough for them to announce the winner of the event. 2 11-hour days. 11 hours? Yeah, 10, 11 hours. Yeah, it was big days. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for this week's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in next week's video where we'll be doing something on the R32. I will talk to you then. Bye.